Ahead of the rollout of COVID-19 vaccines from January 16, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with Chief Ministers of all states on January 11, which will be the first interaction between Prime Minister Modi and the Chief Ministers after the Drug Controller General of India DCGI gave restricted emergency use approval to two vaccines. Oxford AstraZeneca's vaccine known as Covishield in India, locally manufactured by Pune's Serum Institute, and Bharat Biotech Covaxin. Wife of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC leader and former Minister MOIRANGTHEM HEMANTA'S was killed following a major road mishap this morning. Dr. P. Pratitha Devi, age 51, was killed in the road accident at Kakching district's Sora along National Highway 102, a report said. The couple was traveling in a bolero when the fatal accident took place. Karbi Anglong Manipuri Cultural Association, All Assam Manipuri Students Union, Karbi Anglong District Committee, Mairapaibi Loop of Bokazan, and UNESCO remembered the 7 years devastation yesterday at Amarajan Manipuri Basti of Bokajan under Karbi Anglong District of Assam. The event commemorated the 187th death anniversary of Maharaja Gambhir Singh. India recorded 18,645 fresh novel coronavirus infections and 201 fatalities in the past 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry this morning. The total number of cases in the country now stands at 1.04 crore. With 201 deaths in a day, the toll has mounted to 1,50,999. The country now has 2,23,335 active cases of coronavirus. Indonesian divers today located parts of the wreckage of Boeing 737-500 at a depth of 23 meters in the Java Sea, a day after the aircraft with 62 people on board crashed shortly after takeoff from Jakarta, a media report said. The break in the search for Sriwijaya Air Flight 182 came after sonar equipment on a Navy ship detected a signal from the aircraft at a location that fit the coordinates from the last contact made by the pilots before the plane went missing on Saturday afternoon. After campaigning in West Bengal on Saturday, Bharatiya Janata Party President JP NADDA will be travelling to election-bound Assam and Tamil Nadu in the coming days, setting in motion the party's electioneering juggernaut. Dada, who launched the party new campaign Ek Muthi Chawal in West Bengal and accused the Mamata Banerjee government of institutionalizing corruption, is expected to be in Assam on Monday and in Tamil Nadu, where the BJP has announced an alliance with the AIA-DMK on January 14. Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting for 2 million Covishield vaccines manufactured by Serum Institute on an urgent basis given the growing cases of coronavirus in the country. According to media reports, Jair Bolsonaro said Brazil has launched its national immunization program against coronavirus. Jair added that among the vaccines selected by the Brazilian government are those from the Indian company Bharat Biotech International Limited, Covaxin, and AstraZeneca, and University of Oxford Covishield, produced by the Serum Institute of India. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur FEGOCTA has appealed for implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulation 2018 before January 27. FEGOCTA said they will undergo a cease work if the government fails to fulfill the demands.